Hi, it's Morris. I want to talk today about what is a good compliment. Um, when you're dealing with people, it's sometimes nice to say nice things about them. Sometimes you just want to let them know that they're helping out and they're doing a good job and you really appreciate them being around, and you want to say nice things to people because you're a nice person. So, but you can say things in such a way that it just makes the person creep out and feel uncomfortable, and you can feel uncomfortable yourself, or you just come off like, what the heck did I just say? So, um, and that's just part of the challenge of being around people and being in a social situation. Um, you don't want to be like Sheldon, right? So he's my favorite. Yeah. So when people come up to me and they say things about me and they're trying to be complimentary, sometimes it just like it feels like they're really just kind of manipulating, and the only reason they're saying something is because they just trying to like say something nice, and then they can turn around and ask for something like that. Um, and also, sometimes you could take it the wrong way. If they say, "Well, you're dressed nice today," well, I'm thinking, well, what about yesterday? Does it look lousy or nice hair today? Well, what's wrong with the way I usually look? So that's one way. So when you're actually focusing on the person and making them feel the object of observation and scrutiny, that is not a compliment. That's quite the reverse, actually, because it does make people uncomfortable when you say that shirt, that hair, that, and you are actually holding them up to ridicule is what it could be, or they're afraid that it might be ridicule. So they'd rather not you talk about them at all, rather than being held up to ridicule like that, or the chance of being ridiculed. So people don't like the spotlight in general. A much better way is to talk about how the person makes you feel and what's nice about them or when you're around them. So you might say something like, you always cheer me up, or I feel really good every time you're in the room, or you brighten up the room, or thanks for telling me that, thanks for your advice, or thanks for your help, or it's just nice being around you, or, you just make my day, that sort of thing. So you're talking more about yourself and how they influence you. So it's not like that shirt right there is nice. It's just like, ugh. So yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say. How it makes you feel. It's kind of like when you have an issue with somebody, you can't say you're wrong, or you suck, or you hurt, you hurt my feelings, you're a terrible person. You can't. That's the wrong way to talk about. You want to talk about how they make you feel. Oh, that made me feel sad. Then at least you're taking the focus off them. Well, it's the same thing with a compliment. You don't want to put the focus on them. You want to put the focus on how they make you feel. And it kind of like gives you a little bit of a buffer, a little separation. So that's before I leave the subject, my favorite compliment is from the Beverly Hillbillies, Jethro Bodine. And he said many years ago, "Gee, for a fat lady, you sure don't sweat much." That's one of my favorite compliments. Okay, so with that, thanks for listening. Be sure to click the button down below, subscribe, like the channel, share it around. I got a little bonus for you. It's an ebook called The Organized Mind, I believe. You can see the link below. And also check out my website, improvementmethods.com. Okay, thanks a lot and make it a good day. Bye.